So in previous class, we have discussed about event handling. So there we are having one small disadvantage. So that can be overcome in our with by using the adapter classes. So let us see what is the disadvantage before going into these adapter classes. So in above example, for example, we have seen about key handling and also mouse event handling. In this case, for example, here I am implementing how many classes, sorry, how many interfaces? One is mouse listener and second one is mouse motion listener. So in mouse listener, we are having 5 methods, and in mouse motion listener, we are having 2 methods. So compulsory, whenever you are going to, your class is going to implement mouse listener and mouse motion listener, compulsory your class has to implement how many methods? Entire 7 methods. Okay, that is compulsory. But now I don't want 7 methods. Okay, I want only 4 methods. That is like from mouse listener interface, I need only entered and exited. And from mouse motion listener, 2 methods are required. That means what? All the methods of mouse motion listener I need, and only 2 methods from your mouse listener. Then how to implement? Then what happens in this case? What happens means mouse implements mouse listener and mouse motion listener I will take. And what is going to be happened here? Only I will write 2 methods. That is what? One is mouse entered, another one is mouse exited. And I will write 2 methods of your mouse motion listener. Then what happens if I execute the program? Your compiler will say that you have implemented mouse listener, so you have to implement remaining methods also, like mouse clicked. Remaining 3 methods are there. No, one is mouse clicked, next one is mouse pressed, next one is mouse released. We have to implement that, so your compiler will stop. So to overcome this type of problem, we can have one alternative also. That is what? Just to keep empty brackets. That means what? Write the name called as mouse clicked. Don't write anything in this one, because I don't want that. In the same way, write the code for your mouse pressed. Don't write any code. Write the statement of your mouse released also, and don't write anything. Okay, in this way also we can implement. But why I have to write even one line also, which I don't require? Is it necessary? No. Remember one thing, I want to execute only, I want only 2 methods from this one. And okay, leave about this one, I will not talk about this one. So if I leave this one, you can understand. So I'm going to consider only mouse listener. So in this, how many methods are there? 5 methods are there. So if you want to use those 5 methods, we have to implement this one. Now I have my class is implementing this mouse listener. So compulsory was mouse events has to do what? Your mouse events has to implement all the 5 methods of mouse listener. Okay, that is compulsory. If you are not implementing at least any one, then what happens? Your class becomes what? Abstract class. Your compiler stops, and your compiler says what? You are not extending one of the method of your mouse listener, so you have to implement it. Otherwise, keep your class name class as abstract. In this way, your compiler is going to stop. Okay, now let us consider I need only 2 here. In mouse listener, I am going to consider only, for example, mouse clicked and mouse entered. These 2 methods only I want to execute, I want to handle. Otherwise, okay, so if I write these 2, what about remaining these 3? Just I will write what? We have to write compulsory. Just I will write this statement, and I will open this bracket and close this bracket, and I will not write anything in this one because I don't need them. In the same way, remaining 2 methods also I have to do. Now the case is, why I have to write at least that means these lines without using anything? I don't want them. But also we have to write these things because we are implementing that mouse listener. So it is the case if you are going with your mouse listener. That's what listener interface. So that to overcome this type of concept, we are going for adapter classes. So what happens? So see, now I will draw this one so that you can clearly understand what is the disadvantage. So see here one interface is there. In this interface, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 methods are there. It may be any interface. For example, any listener interface. So 5 are there. My class is telling I will implement, listen carefully, I will implement some listener interface. So now tell me what is the case here. Your class has to implement all the methods of this listener. That are what? 5 methods. Okay, that means 1, and it has to give at least empty. Okay. Now the case is what? I want only 2 and 3 to be used. Okay, I want only 2 and 3 to be used. So if I take only 2 and 3, what happens? Your compile stops and it will say what 1, 4, 5 has to be implemented. Otherwise, you have to place abstract for this class. It will tell to us. Now the case is, see. So I want only 2 and 3. So that what in 2, in 1 I have not written any body. So in 2 I am writing some body. Okay. At 3 also I require. So in 3 also I will write what? Some body. Okay, some statements, because I require it. Okay, next come to 4. I don't want 4. What I will do? I will keep empty braces. That means what? Empty body. Next, I don't want 5 also. So what I will do? Again here also I will write this one. Now the case is, if I require only 2 and 3, why I have to write remaining things, that is 1, 4, 5 with empty bodies? So why I have to increase my lines of code? Is it necessary? No. So this is the disadvantage I am facing in my listeners. So okay, this is the disadvantage. So that we are going for adapter classes. Okay, I think you should you understood this one. Only I require 2 and 3. Why I am writing 1? Next one is 4, 5 with empty brackets. I don't want at least these things also. Okay, I want only these 2 things. Okay, so I am going for adapter classes. So now what happens here? Now see, I will consider one of the listener interface. Whatever adapter class is going to do, I will show you now. So see, first I will take one listener. First, one listener I am taking. So in this, I am having, for example, 5 methods. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For example, okay. Here we are having these 5 methods, for example. Now, what my adapter class is doing internally? My adapter class is going to implement that listener. It may be any adapter class listener. Okay, so that what I am doing here, this is doing what? Adapter class is doing what? Just it is going to give empty bodies. Okay, I don't bother about adapter classes because those are not my code. It is not my code. Okay, so internally what it is doing, it is giving empty bodies for all the methods of listener. For example, you are having mouse listener. So this is mouse adapter. Okay, for example, now see, now what happens here? Entire 5 methods is empty. I don't know what is this and what is this, but what is my requirement? My requirement is only I have to use 2 methods only. That is my requirement. So internally this is happened. Now what my class will do? I will take C, this is my class, which is going to extend A. Before what I have done, which is implementing listener, but now what I am doing, just I am doing what? Extends, because here this adapter is a class. Extends A. Now tell me, your C is getting how many properties? All the 5 methods. That means what? All these 5 methods your C is going to have. Now I require what? Only 2 and 3. So just I will take what? 2, and I am going to write my own code. That this concept is what? Overriding. Okay, and I want 3, so I will take that one, and already empty body is there, so I am overriding it. So my program is completed. Is there any need of writing 1 and next one is 4, 5? No need, because already these are present here without any bodies. Completed. My task is done. So here unnecessary code is not there in my class now, but before what happens? Unnecessary code is there. Okay, so that is the concept. Now let us see the examples for this one. See, now I am going for your adapter class. So already whatever the things I have explained, same will be present here. So you can observe here. Java provides a special feature called an adapter class that can simplify the creation of event handlers in certain situations. We have seen those situations now. An adapter class provides an empty implementation. I have shown that. Okay. Empty implementation when you want to empty implementation of all the methods in a event listener. Adapter class are useful when you want to receive and process only some of the events that are handled by a particular event listener interface. That means what? In a above example, what I have shown, I need only 2 and 3, so that my class is implementing what? By using adapter classes, I can implement only those two things. Remaining additional requirements I am not going to use. I don't want them. 1, 4, 5 I don't want, so I am not using that. Okay. Next, you can define a new class to act as an event listener by extending one of the adapter class. So what we have to do? We have to extend the adapter class. So I will show you the example so that you can get clear clarity. So here I am using what? See, here I am using same example. Previous class, what we have seen? We have seen mouse adapters. Sorry, mouse listener, mouse event handling we have seen. Okay. Now same example I am going to take, but in above case, what we have taken? I have implemented both the mouse motion listener and also see here. Here what I have taken? See, mouse listener and mouse motion listener. That means in mouse listener, how many methods are there? 5 are there. In mouse motion listener, how many methods are there? 2 methods are there. See here, you can observe 5 and 2. Total 7 are there. So it is compulsory to implement them. So I have implemented all these 7 methods in my program. But now my requirement is I want only 1 or 2 methods to be implemented. Is it possible? Is it possible by using your listeners? No, it is not possible. Okay. Now, so that I'm going to adapter classes. So before going to example, I want to show you some of the adapter classes. So see this one. If you see this one, now I'm not focusing about all these things. Just I'm focusing about this mouse adapter. I want to show you example with mouse adapter. So mouse adapter is having what? Or it is implementing what? All these things. There is what? Mouse listener, mouse motion listener, and also mouse wheel listener. Okay, that means this mouse adapter, if I am going to implement this mouse adapter, all the methods of these three are available in this mouse adapter. If you want only mouse motion adapter, then we can have only mouse motion listener methods. Okay, now I'm implementing mouse adapter. That means how many methods it is going to be there? In this 5 are there, in this 2 are there, in this 1 is there. Total 8 methods are available now. Among 8, I am not going to implement all the things. When I can do that thing? When I am using this mouse adapter. That means now I am using a mouse adapter. So see here, just I will briefly explain this one because already I have done this program. Now see, adapter demo extends what? Applet. Okay, now here see, my mouse adapter extends what? My mouse adapter. Mouse adapter means what? Here totally 8 are there, 8 methods are there. So how many I want? If I want 1, I can use it. If I want 2, I can use it. No problem. Okay, see here. So I am using what? Only mouse clicked. Okay, only one method called as mouse clicked. And one more is there. My mouse motion adapter. It is also going. It is also. I don't bother about these things. Okay, leave it. I am going to show you only one this. Only I will explain this one. So here I have used what? Only mouse clicked. Remaining, see, remaining how many methods are there? Nothing is there. One more mouse dragged is there, and another one is some other thing is there. So, but here, if you see, I am using only mouse clicked of your mouse listener. What about your mouse entered, mouse exited? Remaining all methods, it is not necessary because I am extending which class? Mouse adapter to handle the mouse events. If I use the listeners, then what happened? Compulsory, you have to implement all the methods. But I'm using mouse adapter so that what happens? Whatever the methods I require, so only those methods can be implemented or used. Okay, this is the concept of adapter class.